is going on, everyone? It's your boy Lisa Laugh. Today is gonna be doing, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video on my new monitor that just came in. So, this monitor it's the Acer G226HQL 21.5 inch full HD monitor. It doesn't have HDMI slots, but that's okay. In this should be in DVI to HDMI converter, which is good. Because I even made my bed. That's how much I love you guys. You're welcome. So here is the actual monitor itself right there. Here's that little, actually came with two DVI to HDMI's converters, I guess you can say. So I'll put that over here on my desk. Just receipts, I guess. Those scissors again. Alright, so I'm gonna be a little Alright, let's see what we got here. We just got manual, quick guide, and a DVD disc. So, base plate, I'm guessing this goes to the base plate, whatever this is, cords, see what it comes with. I'm wondering if it did come with like a DVI cable of some sort, but I don't think it did. This is actually a pretty small monitor. I'm just realizing that now, but whatever, it's fine. It's actually pretty slim from what I can tell. This thing is pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. It's okay, it's pretty small. So yeah, we got the DVI. Oh, nice. So it actually does come with the DVI and a VGA cable. I didn't think it would, to be honest. I didn't go out and buy some, but my friend let me use them. He's probably gonna want them back, but they do come with them, which is good. That's the monitor. Got all this shit. There we go. There's the monitor unboxing. I'm going to be making a vlog on this. I already started it. I'm going to be transferring my whole setup. I got the PC down right over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll show you another. This is another angle, I guess you can say. I'm gonna focus it. There's the monitor right here, 21.5 inches, all the cables and shit. There's the PC right there. Setup gonna be happening. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me set this up here.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and go check out my Twitter. All the links in the description down below. Make sure to go check those out. And peace. Stay lucid.
Yeah.
What is going on, everyone? It's your boy Listen Laugh. Today is going to be doing, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on my new monitor.